Hey guys, I had to do a quick video again. Crypto Mentor 99. This is one of the things that I absolutely love about Guatemala. There's a street vendor here selling food. You can get basically a breakfast burrito here. And there's another family set up across the street over there. And again, everybody's just so friendly and nice. And yeah, everybody's friendly and nice here. So anyhow, in Guatemala for the next, 9 days or so, spreading the word about my two favorite projects out of India in alphabetical order: the Dabba Network and Dabba Network, I say both, or the XDC Network. So anyhow, I got about another 3-hour ride until I get to my final destination. And that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. And you know I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.